Yum! Ouch! My tooth! Candy! Very bad! I'm taking your candy away! No sugary foods allowed! Let's go! Another day without candy! Want to play a game? Sure! It'll take my mind off things! That's so sweet! My babies get along so well! Marbles for everyone! Start your games! Psst, girls, I have something special! These marbles are candy! Here! Mmm, so yummy! The guard is coming! This hand! Oh no! What do I do? I'm playing! Phew! Well, I can't eat these now. Here! Thanks! This place is boring! Candy time! Run! Candy! We want it! Go! Red candy! I got you! Green candy! Run! Oh yeah! It's mine! I won! Seriously? Where were you? Something just... Wait, what's that? Nothing! Let me see. It's candy! That's not allowed. I'm taking them. Rock, paper, scissors. I keep losing. This is lame. Here you go. Melt Isomalt. Add food coloring. Mix it and pour it onto a silicone mat. Apply a pair of old glasses and shape the Isomalt as the lens. Let it harden. Glasses? I can't see! Come on! They're edible! What? Wow! Candy! Thanks, man! This is yummy! That's interesting. I'll try it! Why does she want to eat that? The guard really loves chips. Are those chip crumbs? What? But that's not allowed! Not so fast! What's under your mask? Another mask! Fine, you can go! Hi! What else could I sneak in under my mask? Comment some suggestions! Look! They are huge! We don't stand a chance! I have a plan! These numbers are edible! Add food coloring to gum. Melt it and mix. Roll it out. Cut rectangles. Cut numbers out of sugar paper. Attach a pin back to the other side. 1, 2, that's pathetic! Eat your number! The numbers of the losing team. Not you! I'm confused. Where are they? Licorice! My favorite! It's the guard. We are playing tug of war. I bought it! Lunchtime! Thanks! I'm starving! That's enough! Next! Hi! Thanks! Smells like candy, because it is! Cut the middle out of a bun. Put in M&Ms. Close the bun and seal it with melted white chocolate. Can I please have one? What? Candy? Take care of this! No candy! I'm confiscating this! And this! The last candy!
What?
Time for a snack! Ah! Delicious! Roll out white fondant. Cut out a square. Attach the fondant to a mask using melted chocolate. Did you see that? The guards' masks are edible! There's a mask! Grab him! Got it! Go! This is just a normal mask! What a mess! Let's go! It's the guard! He's gone! Get your chocolate! Stop! What is that? A baby! Candy, pets, devices? Babies aren't on this list! Go ahead! Thanks! That idiot fell for it! 1, 2, 3, turn! Yeah, it worked! Let's start the next task. Wow, that's yummy! A sip of tea. Hold on. What? Candy! Red alert! Return the candy. Typical! Here's your task. Roll out light clay. Press in a round mold. Stamp in shapes. Cut off the excess clay. When the clay hardens, paint it the right color. Ew! What is this? Gross! I'll handle these tiles. I'm doing it! Oh! Watch and learn! Oops! I only get one shot. Go! Woohoo! I did it! Make it rain candy! What? Where's the candy? Why? And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell